Our last example is a system of equations with 3 variables, but there are only 2 equations. So in this case, we cannot find one distinct answer. If we have less equations than we have variables, then we know we have infinite solutions. And you'll have one like this in your homework, and what you do is you take your equation which just has one variable and you work with that first. I'm going to solve this equation for y. So if I want to take y minus 4z equals 6 and add 4z to both sides, I know that y equals 6 plus 4z. So I have solved for y in terms of z. Now I go up to my top equation, and I substitute in for y the 6 plus 4z. That gives me x minus 9 times 6 plus 4z plus z equals 4. I will distribute my 9. Then I will combine my z terms. And I'll move everything over to the other side except the z, except for the x. So x will equal, if I move the 54 over, we're going to add 54. That'll give me 58. And if I move the minus 35z over, that becomes plus 35z. So we have infinite solutions, and the way that we express our answer is z can stand for any real number, y equals 6 plus 4z. That means if you picked any z, because z can equal any real number, you could figure out the y that is associated with that. And x equals 58 plus 35z. So that's how we write our solution when we have infinite solutions.